Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Ready to kickstart your journey to a healthier you? Today, we dive into the ultimate daily routine for fat loss that's not only effective but also sustainable. Morning routine. Rise and shine. Waking up early isn't just about the alarm clock, it's about seizing the day and boosting your productivity from the get-go. Start with a refreshing glass of water to fire up your metabolism. Then, fuel your body with a balanced breakfast packed with protein, whole grains, and fresh fruits or veggies for that energizing kickstart. Mid-morning snack. Feeling peckish? Grab a quick, nutritious snack like juicy fruits or wholesome nuts to keep those energy levels steady and cravings in check. Exercise session. Time to sweat it out. Whether it's a brisk jog or a cycling session, get your heart pumping with 30 to 45 minutes of aerobic exercise. Don't forget to sprinkle in some strength training to sculpt those muscles and supercharge your fat-burning furnace. Lunch. Refuel smartly with a satisfying lunch featuring lean proteins, plenty of veggies, and whole grains. It's the perfect combo to keep you full and fueled for the afternoon ahead. Afternoon activity. Keep moving. Take short breaks to stretch or stroll around, especially if you're tied to a desk. It's all about staying active throughout the day. Late afternoon snack. Treat yourself to a light, nutritious snack like a creamy yogurt or a refreshing smoothie. It's the pick-me-up you need to power through the rest of your day. Optional evening exercise. Feeling up for it? Consider a soothing yoga session or another round of cardio to boost calorie burn and unwind after a busy day. Dinner. Keep it light and satisfying with lean proteins and veggies. Skip heavy carbs late at night for smoother digestion and better weight management. Evening routine. Wind down gracefully. Stay hydrated and indulge in some calming activities like meditation or gentle stretches to relax your mind and body. Before bed. Catch those grr. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. It's not just rest, it's a crucial part of your fat loss journey. Additional tips. Remember to watch your portion sizes, stay hydrated all day long, stick to your routine, and seek advice from pros for personalized tips and tricks. There you have it, your ultimate guide to a day that fuels fat loss and leaves you feeling fantastic. Subscribe for more health and fitness tips to keep crushing your goals.